Hello students, welcome to Study Magnet. My name is Puran Singha and today we will study about class 7 science chapter physical and chemical changes. And also we will study about changes in states of matter. So let's begin. So students, what are physical and chemical changes? So let's see the definitions. A change in which no new substance is formed and which can generally be reversed by reversing the condition is called a physical change. So students, a physical change is something where no new substance will form. For example, if I take a piece of paper and crest it or tear it, so in this case, is there any new substance will form? Obviously not. Whatever the piece of paper I crest or tear it, after tearing also, it remains paper only. So it is a physical change. Again, formation of ice, that is also a physical change. Why? Because when water cools down or freezes, then it will form ice. And again, if we heat the ice, then again it will form water. That means physical changes are reversible. It can be reversed under some conditions. So students, now let's see what are chemical changes. A change in which new substance is formed and which cannot be reversed by reversing the conditions is called a chemical change. For example, if we take some paper or wood and burn it, then we can see that new substance S will form. So burning of paper or burning of wood, we can say it as a chemical change. And students, chemical changes are irreversible in nature. That means from those S that will form, that we never get back the paper or wood again. So I hope you have understand the concept of physical and chemical changes. Now students, let's discuss about change in states. As we know, we have three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Now we will see how changes in states occurs. So students, when solid changes into liquid on being heated is called melting. And when liquid forms a solid on being cooled, then it is called freezing. So I hope melting and freezing is clear to you. When liquid forms a gas on being heated, then liquid vaporized, and this phenomenon is called vaporization. Again, when gas forms a liquid on being cooled is called condensation. That is opposite of vaporization is called condensation. I hope this is clear to you. But as we have learned, if substance have to change from solid to liquid, then we have to heat it. And from liquid to gas, then also we have to heat it. Similarly, changing from gas to liquid, we have to cool it, and from liquid to solid, then also we have to cool it. But if I asked you to change it directly from solid into gas without changing into liquid state, then what it is called? So student, that phenomenon is called sublimation. So I hope all these changes in states are clear to you. So students, now let's summarize the change in states. Some solids form vapors or gas directly on being heated without changing into liquid. So this phenomenon is called sublimation. For example, ammonium chloride, naphthalene balls are solid that sublime. When a solid forms a liquid on being heated, then this phenomenon is called melting. For example, when ice is being heated, then it forms water. When a liquid forms a solid on being cooled, then this phenomenon is called freezing. For example, when ice is being heated, then it forms water. When a liquid forms a gas on being heated, then this phenomenon is called vaporization. The opposite of vaporization is called condensation. For example, when water boils, it forms water vapor, and when it cools, it forms water again. So I hope students, you have learned the concept of physical and chemical change, and also change in states of matter. So if you have still any doubt, then let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.